This is the second part of the bike tour, now walking tour to the Blue Crosses. As you can see, the season has started. Groups are here. This is an Italian group, I guess. Buongiorno. Buongiorno.
Si muove, signore.
Up here is to Apparition Hill, but I take you now to the Blue Crosses again. We are arriving soon at the Blue Crosses. It takes a little more and we are there. Life starts step by step. It's still before 9 o'clock. And here we are. Coming closer. Isn't that beautiful, Our Lady? You see here a lot of Italian buses. So we have a lot of Italian pilgrims. There we go. Arriving at the Blue Crosses. Hello. We are coming closer to it. The Blue Crosses are up there. On the left, here we are. Blue Cross. Here we are. They are up here. I leave you with this beautiful view up to the Blue Crosses. Have a joyful day. Subscribe to the channel, share the videos that other people can also see the beauty of Medjugorje. God bless you all. I pray for you here. Please pray for me as well. Bye bye.